That was a really good day to start the morning. Right now I'm on my way to a waterfall up here. The receptionist at the hotel said that there might not be too much water there. The waterfall is not that big either from what I've seen on pictures, so we're just gonna go up there and have to see what it is, if it's big or small. But it looks like we could have some problems. It's cloudy now and it seems like it might be some rain. Hopefully we're fine though. But first, before we walk up there, we need to get some food. And we're right here right now at Blues, which had some good reviews on Google. So I'm gonna try it out. Oh yeah, fried rice with chicken, pineapple and garlic.
You know my heart goes crazy when your tender lips touch mine. Let's explore our love. We'll leave the world behind. Can you feel me?
And would you look at that? Done with the food and the sun is out. This is so much better. It's not gonna be out for too long though. It's cloudy like everywhere, don't even... Yep, cloudy in any second now. I think it's like a 40-minute walk up there. So let's see what we can find on the way. Fuck. I mean, I feel like I'm kind of warm, but this guy must be so warm. Hello, doggy.
You know my heart goes crazy when your tender lips touch mine. Let's explore our love. We'll leave the world behind. Can you feel me?
Here it is, the final stretch, 200 meters. Is this going to be a disappointment or is it going to be a less of a disappointment? Like I've seen pictures of this waterfall, it's not that amazing. Some people even call it just a stream. We're gonna have to see. 150 meters left, come on. Okay, 200 meter sign up there. 250 meter sign right here. Okay, makes sense. I can also say there's like small lizards or geckos or whatever you call them running in front of you all the time. Like oh ho, ho, hoi! Can you hear that? Oh, actually some water. Oh, this is gonna be great. Look at this. Oh, just look at. Sick. Oh yeah. It starts here and it's like and it's like down here. Well, that was kind of bad. Didn't really expect much either though, so no problem. It's pretty cool here though. Level 4? What? What do you mean by level 4? Let's go down to level 4. Sweet, sick. Yes. Oh, this is why we walked here. I still kind of want to reach the top though. We walked all the way here. I mean, even though the water is shit. The fuck? Hello thing. What is this? What are you? You look shiny and gooey. No. I feel like here you have to expect that anything and everything can kill you. Okay, found a bigger fall. Here it is. The main source. Let's go up there. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop here. It does continue. I don't know where it ends. It's like, yeah. Alright, time to go back again. Alright, waterfall wasn't so good. Kinda expected that. But at least we got to go on an adventure, which is nice too, so it's fine. But now I'm super warm. I've been walking for a while and I kinda just want to get back to the beach, so let's go to the beach again. I'm so not in frame. That was sandy. Fuck. That was so refreshing. Jumping into the ocean. Even though it's super warm. Now I'm just gonna lay here, relax and wait for the sunset and then snag some pictures and eat peanuts. So that is that. The sun is officially gone. And I did get a couple of pictures. I'm gonna show those right here, right now. But that's all I had for today. It felt a little bit better today, the vlog. Still have a lot to learn though and a lot to improve on, but that will hopefully come with time. So thank you for watching this one. I hope to see you back in the next one, and own it.